Are you obsessed with fish tacos? Us too. I'm Sarah Beth at Urban Accents, and I am about to show you how to make the most unbelievably easy fish taco feast in about 15 minutes using our new Chile Verde Fish Taco seasoning mix. The essential ingredients for this recipe are 1 pound of tilapia fillets, the whole 1 ounce pouch of seasoning mix, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, we like olive oil, and of course, tortillas. I am going to sprinkle this seasoning all over the fish on both sides, and I want to get a really good solid coating. We're going to put our fish fillets into the hot oil. If your fish does not fit into your pan all in one batch, just work in batches as needed. We're going to let these cook 3 or 4 minutes on each side, and then we're going to flip them, and they're going to be a beautiful golden brown. These have been cooking for about 6 or 7 minutes. I am going to go in and check for flakiness because that's going to let me know that it's done. I'm going to take a fork and just kind of pull it apart a little bit. If it flakes apart really easily, it's done. I'm going to cut the heat, and then we're going to use our spatula to kind of just break up these fillets into big chunks that we can then put into a taco. I have some toasty corn tortillas here, and we are going to layer in some of our cooked seasoned fish. Now for toppings. We really like purple cabbage for a little bit of crunch. We also like diced mango for a little bit of sweet juiciness. I also really love cilantro. Adds a really nice touch of color and of a fresh herby green. Like for any good taco, we're gonna finish with a squeeze of lime. Do you know what time it is? Taco time! Time to taste these tacos. Oh yeah. It's so savory. It's a little herby, and I'm definitely getting that tangy citrus. There's a little bit of a mild heat from the jalapeno, and the texture, it's so meaty and flaky. Those brown edges are so crispy and crunchy. It's delicious. For this super fast, ultra tasty recipe, check out urbanaccents.com. We've got your back in the kitchen.